Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
If Maya takes a hold on one, what's the quickest way to go back to Krishna?
That Krishna simply, when there is Maya's attraction, just pray to Krishna. Please save me. Please save me. This is the only way. And He'll save you. We are in the Maya's kingdom, so Maya is strong very here. But if we catch Krishna very strongly, Maya cannot do anything. That we should be fixed up in catching Krishna very tightly. Then there is no fall down.
Prabhupada, when we're out in Sankirtan chanting, what would be the best way for us to engage the crowd and to become participants in the chant? What would be the best way of
The best way you go on chanting. Your business is not to, satisfy the crowd.
No.
Your business is satisfy Krishna. And then crowd will be automatically satisfied. We are not going to please the crowd. We are going to give them something, Krishna. So you should be very much careful whether you are delivering Krishna in the right way. Then they will be satisfied. Your only business should be to satisfy Krishna. Then everything will be satisfied. Tasmin tushte jagat tushta. If Krishna is satisfied, then whole world is satisfied. If you pour water on the root, then it is automatically distributed in every part of the tree. So Krishna is the big tree, root of the big tree, and you take to watering Krishna, chant Hare Krishna and follow the rules and regulations, everything will all right.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna